Denji. Denji. Hello. Are you okay? I got you nausea medicine from the supermarket. Wash it down with a glass of water before bed.
I probably had the shittiest first kiss ever. Will they all taste like vomit?
Open your mouth. I doubt you'll ever forget how that vomit tasted. Don't worry, though. Life comes in a wide variety of flavors. With each passing day, you'll experience different ones. For example, you just had your first indirect kiss, and it tastes like cola-flavored Chupa Chups.
Pochita, listen. You probably wanted to do that, but I'm sorry. I want Miss Makima to be my first.